Are your toilet bowl stains stubborn? This video shows how to handle them. 1. Using vinegar and baking soda is one of the best ways to clean a filthy toilet bowl. Pour 1 cup of vinegar into the toilet bowl, covering the stains. To remove stains, let the vinegar sit. Next, scrub the basin with baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda will dissolve difficult stains and clean your toilet bowl. 2. Use a stain-removing commercial toilet bowl cleaner. Look for cleaners with hydrochloric acid or bleach, which can remove tough stains. Apply the cleanser to the bowl, let it sit for a while, and then scrub it with a toilet brush. Make sure you wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated space when using commercial cleaners. 3. Pumice stones help remove difficult toilet bowl stains. Wet the pumice stone and toilet bowl before using this method to avoid scratching. After the pumice stone and basin have been dampened, use the pumice stone to lightly scrub any stains. Pumice stones remove stains without harming porcelain bowls. Flush the toilet afterward to clear any debris.